Hello everybody. Don't judge how tired I look. I literally just woke up, but I wanted to start this video off right away. I'm not sure if this video is going to go up or what, but I wanted to document what goes on this weekend because we're expecting a huge snowstorm this weekend according to what the news is saying. We're not exactly sure how big it's going to be. The news is saying it's going to be pretty big, but we're not exactly sure if that's going to be accurate. If, it turns out to be pretty huge, I'll probably put this video up. But yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to document it. I've got school in like a couple of hours now, so I gotta start getting ready. Welcome to the vlog and documentation of what shall happen. Okay, so if you guys want an outline on how big this snowstorm is expected to be, the stores are going empty on the shelves. I just saw a video that showed people in a checkout line that went probably 3 or 4 aisles worth in the store. All of the events for today that are going on early evening, mid-afternoon, they've been canceled. My school letting out 2 hours earlier. In the past few years, we've gotten snow to the point where school is canceled for 1 or 2 days, which happened the other day. My dad is currently heading off to the store. He's trying to beat his butt to the store right now because online they're saying that the shelves are empty. There's that update. So Snowmageddon has officially hit. This has been going for about an hour-ish now. I don't know exactly when it started. I'd already been out of school before it started, and we actually had a little bit of snow this morning, but it wasn't a big deal. It was sticking, but it wasn't a whole lot. And then it just stopped. Our current situation is this. So basically what we had 4-ish days ago, maybe a little bit longer. So what the news has been saying is apparently true. I'm not sure how true the weekend will be, however. We have Snowmageddon. Here's how severe the weather is affecting us right now. I went somewhere after school, and as I was coming home from that place, which was when we discovered that it was snowing, and we had maybe 1/4 of an inch whenever we were leaving, we went to go see if we couldn't go to Papa Murphy's and get pizza. And first of all, stores are crowded to begin with because of this snow. So we went to Papa Murphy's. They were crowded, so we instantly came home. And on the way to Papa Murphy's, it was just a mess. Whenever we were driving down, what I saw was the cars were trying to drive up the hill, and the snow was already about 1/2 inch thick. People were getting stuck. Cars were trying to drive up the hill. There was a stoplight, and there literally was a traffic jam from the stoplight all the way down about maybe 1/4 of a mile. So it is quite a few hours later. We have a little over 6 inches of snow now. It is still consistently snowing. So that's what's going on right now, and I guess we'll see what happens tomorrow. Oh, these roads are actually pretty clear.
Yeah, they've done a pretty good job over here.
So I wasn't planning on recording again because I thought that we were pretty much done with the storm, but now we've got some more snow coming in, and oh my gosh, it's like crazy. Let me show you. so, whoa, I'm really zoomed in. How do I fix that? I can't fix it. There we go. So, I wasn't planning on recording anymore today, or this weekend period, but we have a lot more snow coming down now, and it's coming in gusts, then it eases up, but it still comes down like a lot.
You on the phone?
No. Right now, the driveway is covered with snow, the street is covered with snow, and that's pretty much everything that's, including the grass, which is covered with snow too. But the road wasn't covered with snow for the most part of today, nor was the driveway. None of the snow has melted away, except for the stuff that was on the road. The snowplow came through, I think it was yesterday or something, to get rid of the snow. We are expected to get a couple more inches the next few days.